What's up, guys? So I decided to drop my phone now, or not my phone, but my camera broke it. So you gotta not look at me now. So lucky you guys. um, Wanted to give you a little bit of an update. Here we are. After I did a little sanding, killed all the zombies. I want you guys to understand something. As I look around and try to remember where the hell I put my sandpaper. This is basically a cheap paint job that was on here. I did it with about $12 of rattle can primer from Walmart. And I'm going to show you just exactly how easy it was to take this off. I'm just going to wet sand this. I'm wet sanding with about 400 grit. Airbrushing comes off right away. Get rid of Fat Albert here. Of course, I've used this piece of paper for a little bit. Let me flip it around. It's not easy to do with one hand. Now, I basically just scuffed my paint when I did this before, just enough to get some scratch so that it would stay. Basically put just enough to cover. As you can see, it comes off. Doesn't really matter. See my burn through here? This is actually what I'm going to achieve. Hey, look at that. You can see me anyway. This is what I'm going to achieve when I do my finish work. And again, I'm going to do this again with a rattle can primer. So far I've got 6 cans. I think last time it took me about 12 to do this, so we'll see. But this is all rattle can primer from Walmart. Costs you $1 a can. But I'm going to keep going on this. And I'll see you in a little bit.